Good afternoon. Today is Friday the 13th, January 13th, 2023. I'm here at Doctor's Lake Marina, and this is a zinc install, or two zinc installs for the shaft zincs on split tail. Thank you for choosing ES Dive.